Hi guys, I'm back again with one more scorecard. Now you can see the test date, it's 9th November, that is after the PT updates. Make sure you save this video because I'm going to explain a lot of strategies which our student Ayu used. Miss Ayu, it was her first attempt after taking classes, Guaranteed PTE Course as it's mentioned, and amazing, right? She got a 90 in speaking, reading, writing and listening. Again, I'm saying make sure you save this video. A lot of our students have got 8 each and more after the updates made by PT on the 5th of November 2024. Now, the main reason why she got a 90 out of 90 in speaking, and yes, she used all the templates which we had shared: describe image, retell lecture, write essay, summarize spoken text. The main reason in speaking is because despite using our template, she did not speak it as if it's a template. She spoke it like a human, proper phrasing, normal pauses, not very fast, like a normal human would explain. Now in describe image, she made sure that she was speaking relevant content, not something random like colors all the time like a lot of students speak, like I can see colors like red, blue and orange. Orange is my favorite color. Not like that. So now you need to be very particular about content. It needs to make sense. You can't speak random content. The second thing which she did in retell lecture was that she was using proper phrasing, not any random keywords, like you need to be really quick in taking notes in retell lecture so that you can frame proper phrases from those notes, because the human evaluation, which is called double scoring, which happens in describe image and retell lecture, makes us sometimes forget that content is important. We just focus on fluency and many times we speak really fast. So don't speak really fast, speak like a normal human, and use good connectors, you can use connectors like moreover, furthermore to start your sentences in retell lecture. Those connectors will definitely be of help. But more important than that is the phrasing. Don't pick up random keywords. Train your mind like you would in the NATI exam. You take shorthand notes, but from your own notes, make them very clearly and neatly and try to reproduce the phrases which you listen to in the audio. The ideal duration for describe image should be about 25 seconds and for retell lecture somewhere around 30 to 35 seconds. And be very careful, in retell lecture you can get a video instead of an audio. Now you can see her writing score, which is 90, pretty amazing. She used our template, which is a fantastic template, works very well. But the trick in getting the 90s, if you want the software to give you 90, I'm going to tell you two things. Make sure you do it. If your level of English is not that great, you will have to do it. There is no other alternative, okay? The first thing is, don't repeat the topic sentence or the words from the topic sentence 10 times in the essay, in the body paragraphs, in the conclusion. Don't repeat the same words again and again. The software will lower your grade because it puts you in a restricted level that this person's vocabulary is not that great. So try to use simple synonyms or at least paraphrase. Paraphrasing means writing in your own words. The second important thing which all these successful achievers like Ayu are doing is trying to frame compound and complex sentences which are a bit lengthy. They should not be very short. The easiest way to make sentences compound and complex is using words like and, because, which. So that way, your sentences become lengthy. So you start writing a sentence and you write because, and then you explain it. And as I said, don't repeat the same words again and again. Not a smart thing to do. A tip which I can give you, save this, is you can pick up some good words from summarize written text and writing and use those words in the essay, some high vocabulary words which make sense, which you can understand. Another thing very important which Ayu did was she picked up a lot of keywords and good phrases in summarize spoken text. The approach which includes phrases in templates, that also gives fantastic results. And if you pick up good keywords, but if you need to know how to insert those keywords in the template, that will also give you very good results. So these are the important things which require some considerable practice. There is nothing to be scared about these new updates and the human evaluation in PT. You can still use our templates, but you need to know how to use the templates, and you need a good teacher to give you feedback. Even one day before her exam, I sent her a message, like a checklist. Do this, do this, do this in the exam. This is how your mind should work. And she was really happy with the outcome. And yes, well, if you're looking for 8 each in PT, even if you're in your 70s and you've taken it multiple times but you're struggling, then you can contact us. You can find our numbers on the screen in the scorecard, and we'll also leave more phone numbers in the comment section because we get a lot of calls every day. Not only that, we have some amazing courses and tutors who are there to assist you with your NATI CCL training. We have got different languages covered like Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Malayalam, Sinhalese and Telugu. And we also have an amazing IELTS tutor who is there to assist you, and he is very experienced and has more than band 8 himself. So make sure you visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com, and we'll definitely assist you. And one more good news, we will be starting NATI in Nepali very soon. So we are almost there, we are just excited about it, and we'll update you with our amazing discount offer once we are ready to start it in a couple of weeks. Till then, make sure you follow us, and good luck with your PT, IELTS and NATI. Thank you.